It's okay, baby. I missed you too. But don't worry, we can be together forever now. Oh, yeah. I missed your piney. Yeah! Viewers beware, it's Goosebumps Man, and welcome back to nature, baby! My God, it's been quite a while, hasn't it? Well, we're going to be exploring the forest again, and it's going to be the first time I do it with glasses on. Let's do it! The river, where nobody ever masturbates. I'm sorry, I have no idea where that came from. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I brought a little accessory with me. Pocket knife, so I can cut up all these fucking thorns around here. Damn thorns sticking on my clothes. Motherfuckers. Is that Michael Myers? That's Michael Myers. He saw me. Run, 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 run! You're still after us? Okay, I think we're safe now. First Pennywise from It, and now Michael Myers from Halloween. God damn, I'm being chased by horror movie characters. You know, you gotta be glad to have nature around. Except these fucking thorns, which I can now cut up with this. I don't know if you guys can see it, can you? Yeah, but I had it too close to the camera. There we go. So these thorns can suck it. Fucking thorns. But yeah, you've got nature, which is a really cool thing to have with you. Don't you know? Like, you got these fern trees and birds chirping. I'm not sure where they are, but your eyes now hurt because I shined the camera into the sun. But you know, I don't give a shit about y'all. Y'all can suck my dick. Nah, I'm kidding. Yeah, one thing you gotta hate about nature is thorns. Everything else, really cool. You know? Except with these fucking cars! Damn it! Yeah, nature's really cool. Damn it! Yep, just ignore the cars. Just ignore the cars. Act like they're not there, okay? There's no cars. No cars at all. Damn it! You know what? Screw it. Let's cut up some thorns. I'll even set the phone down so you guys can see me do it. With my badass pocket knife. What thorns to cut? Ooh! I see some. You guys will probably see grass. Yeah. Yep, you guys are seeing grass. Hang on. 1 second. There we go. Night night, motherfuckers. I'm gonna chop you up, you fat bastards. Yeah. You wanna play rough, motherfucker? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you like the taste of my knife, motherfucker? Oh yeah. You like that piece of shit? Yeah, it's okay, we can step over it. So we can cut this one up. Let's just not hurt ourselves doing it. Grab it by the leaf here. Damn it. We can do it. I'm a manly man with a pocket knife, and I shall chop this thorn, and I shall chop these thorns up. Yay! I did it! Woo! These thorns can suck it. Now we shall pass. I'm ready for this shit. Oh yeah. We just fucked up some thorns. That's why pocket knives are the shit, motherfuckers. And you can't fucking deny me. Yeah. Better be careful not to step in any animal shit. Wonderful nature. Okay, just keeping my eye out for snakes. Wonderful nature, motherfuckers. I was glad to do that again. Really fun. And I'm glad to do it again. Yeah, this was fun. You know, I have fun making these types of videos. Alright, I'll get going now. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If it gave you goosebumps, please give that like button a slappy. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!